Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys a healthy version eggless chocolate almond flour crinkle. This is super delicious, super healthy, and you won't even feel guilty when you just put them in your mouth. It melts in your mouth, super delicious. Let's get started with this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have 2 videos every week. Here I have half a pound of bitter chocolate, or you can use semi-sweet chocolate. On a double boiler, I'm going to melt them. Now go ahead and melt them until it's nice and smooth. Now as you can see, the chocolate is nicely melted, and at this point we are going to add butter to it. So I have here 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. This is soft butter. I haven't melted them, so just go ahead and add this cubes into the chocolate and then mix them until it's nice and smooth. As you can see, it's nice and smooth mixture. At this point, turn off your heat and set it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Here I have 3/4 of a cup almond flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder or cacao powder. Use nice quality, and 1/3 of a cup coconut sugar or a brown sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now go ahead and mix them until there is no lumps. Now here my chocolate mix is still warm. I'm going to add this to the dry ingredients. Go ahead and add little bit at a time until all the dough comes together. Mix them well. If you're someone who wants to use the egg mixture, then basically you will use 2 eggs, beat them and add the chocolate mix, combine the flour, fold it, and then bring them together. And now as you can see, the mixture is nicely come together. I'm gonna cover it and refrigerate at least for 3 hours, or overnight is always the best option. I also have my baking tray with the parchment paper lined, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and here I have 1 tablespoon of a scoop. Now go ahead and scoop full scoop of this tablespoon and make sure it's nicely leveled so that you don't have one bigger and one smaller. So we want all to cook through at the same temperature at the same time. Here I made it a nice round shape, and go ahead and coat it to the powdered sugar. Now go ahead and start placing them on the cookie sheet. Now make sure between each dough you have at least 2 inches of a gap, because when they cook they will expand. They will need some space between each of them. So now my oven is preheating at 325. I bake them for 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven temperature. Just make sure the center is not soft, and you also want to make sure it's completely cooled down before you want to serve it. It's super easy. Serve with coffee, your evening tea or milk. Great recipe. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.